Sanmonani, thank you, program director, thank you, SOD, in absentia. And thank you very much, Sir, for inviting us over to Ifewe Party School. I've been long waiting for it. Looking to the so when the invitation came, I was so excited. And I'm so happy to see you. And she grouped me in a lot of things in terms of how the department has been run, because I was from outside the department. So the song is in Dominga and I'm trying to school it's guide down and it was my documents and everything else, where's my meetings, and then also to connect us with the external bodies like my unions, and her presence all the time make sure this focus perfectly, because is perfect. So I was worried looking in morning and I not to see it's what I'm gonna go by this and no one. And then that's why I'm say Hampila Zangavali, saying money I'm gonna say a second. You can look into society, so Mawami when Zagalan. So and congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Ukuthi sewuhambe warecha this milestone. Sengathi uNkulunkulu angahlala ami nawe njalo. Umhlala umuhle kangaka all the time sibona umuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi. And I'm so happy for you now you will have time to yourself. Hayi lo early hours in the morning. I remember the other time besenzani office by 5 o'clock usisibuzo zaphuma ngo-12 midnight, and then the other time with iy'nkungu zaseMaritzburg uzothi angazi noma ngisazoyibona indlela ekhaya ehlele office until 12 o'clock. I-dedication yakho to i-department into engathazekisa isibuyi, and I hope uNkulunkulu uzobuyisela for that. And now that we have rested, I wish you to take more time to yourself. Travels Tembasam, uthe elu-until laphayana and mayelana nje mawuhamba noSaskhe awumshiyi uzomphokhela. And so I want to see you utravela and being happy. I think you've got a very good example la phambi CTA. We are all envious of the way that she's living her life right now. And you will say enjoy yourself and usikhulisile. Dedicate isikhathi sakhe esiningi to i-department, and uyawabona ama-results through OSLI nabo bonke abantwana balapho ukuthi usebenze kangakanani abasaqhubeka i-legacy yakho ukuthi izinto ze-department baziphathe ngendlela efanelekile. You should be really proud of yourself. So nje ngiyakufisela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akugcine sisi aqhubeze impilo yakho akwandisele iy'nsuku zakho ujabule kanye nomndeni wakho, because uthuthe isikhathi esiningi kanye nathi. Siyakubongela kakhulu, uhlale kahle. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga ma.